It's not your resume. Look, if you're looking for a job, it's really not your resume. Your resume has very little to do with why you're not finding it. My name's Derek Phelps. I'm the principal recruiter, headhunter here at Top Talent Search Advisors, and I'm here today to help you land that dream position. You know, if you've been looking at that resume, you've tried to dust it off, you're looking for a better job than you currently have, or if you're just back in the work environment and looking, you know what? You're not finding your position based on your resume. Really, we'll get down to that in a second. Again, I'm happy you're joining me here at Top Talent Search Advisors. I'm going to give you a couple of tips to help you land that next position. You know, the way we help people here is to give you the tools to improve your job search by showing you better ways to look for a job, better ways to market yourself, better ways to brand yourself so that you go out and land that dream job. Now, the question today that I'm asked is, you know, can you help me with my resume? Well, really, it's not about the resume. It's more about how you're packaging yourself and what the resume is saying about you. They typically, HR people get about 12 seconds to review resumes. They may have 200 to 300 different resumes for any open position. And today, in the tougher environment of actually landing a job, you want to make sure you put your best foot forward so that you're considered to move on to that next step, the phone interview, which you can see some tips on that on our website here or on our YouTube channel. Hopefully you join us there and see a few more tips. But back to the resume, you know, you need to brush off your resume, dust it off, have another eye look at it to look at those things that you're not catching. But most importantly is your expectations. You know, if you haven't been working for a while and you're looking for that $100,000 a year job and you haven't been making any money for a while, very difficult to find. What are you going to put on that resume? What are you going to put in there? The most important thing is that we get your foot back in the door, that we get you maybe necessarily not in that final job that you're going to have for the rest of your life. And, you know, by the way, that's a myth. Most people change jobs every 3 to 4 years. So what we're trying to do is build a couple of steps. If it's been a while since you've been in your industry, if it's been a while since you've looked for a position, you may be taking one step back to take 10 steps forward. So look at your expectations of what you're looking for, decide what you need as far as pay and salary to move forward in your career, and you may need to go back and get some more training, because I guarantee you the other people are getting more training. The other people you're competing with, the other candidates, have been back training. They've taken online courses. They've taken certification classes to help them step up in their job search. So if it's been a while since you've been looking, feel free to check out some of the videos that we have here. I appreciate your time. Thanks for joining me. Derek Phelps, Principal Recruiter, Top Talent Search Advisors.